me define the difference between let, var and const keyword. Let is a local scope variable. What it means is whenever you want to use a variable inside a for loop or within a function body, you can go with a let keyword because the scope will be limited to local. Var is same as you declare it in a JavaScript. It's a global level scope variable declaration. And constant, as I already told you, it is used when we want to use some constant value throughout the program, and constant variables needs to be initialized at the time of declaration. If I don't give it a value and I just declare it, it won't allow me to do that. Okay, and if I do that for the let variable, it is allowed. So it is allowed unassigned, right? So let's check it with the help of one function. I'll declare a function named add, wherein I will be adding two numbers, let's say x and y. It's the same way how we declare the function in a JavaScript. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just return x plus y. And now in order to call this function, I'll define one local variable with let c is equals to I'll say it z equals to add function call, and I'll pass the parameters as 10 and 20. So it should give me 30, and I'll be logging that in the console. Okay, so that's how we do in JavaScript also. Sorry, I used the variable called z. So this should give me the addition of these two numbers 10 and 20, and that's 30. Okay, let's say let me save this file. Now I'll demonstrate you the use of let keyword. So let z equals to 30. I'll say 20. So the let we have the same name, same variable name, but this is only the scope of this variable is only limited in this function, within this function. Over here it is different. So that difference I wanted you to know. We can use let for this purpose when we want to set the scope of a variable locally, right? So we can use them like this. Now let's say I'll modify this and put it as z. So it should give me 10 plus 20 plus 20. So let's print this. I'll save this file. Notice one thing here in the main.js. From my previous video, if you are aware, we had run our first program. So it's a file from that same video. I have been modifying that same file. So once I'll be compiling this file, it would result it into a respective JS code, right? As we already know, TypeScript code is transpiled into JavaScript, right? So just running it, compiling the file tsc main.ts. In fact, we need to run this file. So node main.js is not compulsion. So we got hello world, welcome to .NET Crunch, which was our previous code console log, and the result which we got is 50 from the add function.